What's up, guys? Today we are at Evergreen Raceway. Got the Fam Bam. What's up, Kiki? Bought Kiki some heat waves yesterday. Bought Brenda heat waves and these fire ones. Since we last drove, we have put wisefab on the car, so today is the first test day with wisefab. Super excited to try that. But other than that, it's just an open drift, and let's get to driving. Alright, so I've driven for about 2 hours now. Probably got about 10 laps in. Wisefab feels good. It's a little different having more angle than I'm used to, but I'm working through it. I was able to hit fourth on the 3/8 bank, and that felt like I had a lot more grip and forward momentum going through the bank and holding more angle. It's just freaking hot. It's hot. I'm sweaty. No fan, no AC in that car, and we're sitting on grid for like 20-30 minutes at a time. It's brutal.
It's like an egg.
What did you tell me my car looks like?
Your Z looks like an egg. It feels like you're sitting inside an egg.
How does a Z look like an egg?
Your eggshell color, dude.
Eggshell. Oh, I kind of see it.
It's an eggshell with a livery on it.
I'm getting bullied out here.
This thing's awesome, dude. Fuck. I want to drift flying. Yeah. It's in Japan now, though. Yeah.
It's stuck.
That was so fun. Alright, so we're all wrapped up. Another sick ass day of driving. And we got to drive with Haugen finally. Haugen's over here doing an oil change after driving. Dude, sick driving all day,
Yeah.
man.
Thank you, bro.
Hell
Today
yeah,
was so
dude.
fun.
So much fun.
Yeah.
This thing is, it's rad.
Thank you.
It's
man.
gnarly.
I love your car, dude. That thing's sick.
I know.
I want to drift my seat.
Let's make a clutch kicker strip. You got room
Dude.
for 2 cars.
Sounds fun. I want to make this shit fun again for me. This
Yeah.
was fun today, but
Well, I feel like we'd have a lot of fun together if we drove more.
I think so.
Hell yeah. Well,
Thank you, bro.
hope you guys enjoyed the video. Y'all have a good day.
Yeah, dude.
Peace.